I have an idea for our intro.
What's your idea?
That we're gonna say hi.
Hi.
Okay, like, hi, welcome to Resolute Homestead. Thank you for joining us. If this is your first time, I'm Terry.
I'm Jonah. We're renovating our house. We are trying to learn the skills required to build our own house. So our goal is to renovate this house, then sell it, and buy some land, and build our own house with our own 2 hands, or 4 hands, I guess.
4. The stair renovation is already done. He put bamboo up the stairs. We've re-stained the banisters, and now we're doing the finishing touches. So we're gonna put the baseboards back, and then we're gonna paint this wall. It's been red for a really long time, and now we're gonna make it blue.
Well, you can already see the blue that we've chosen while I was renovating the stairs. If you've seen those videos, I did all the cutting in so that we could try and avoid having to like tape the stairs and paint. I think we're gonna have to do that anyway, just because when I put the bamboo down on some of the stair treads, the fresh paint hadn't all the way cured, and so the bamboo scratched it. So we'll just have to touch it up. Terry's hungry apparently. Her stomach is very, very vocal right now.
Anyway, I've been wanting to paint this wall since we moved back into the house 2 years ago. And
I got it started for you.
it's been started for longer than I would like to say. So that is finally getting done today. Yay. Besides the baseboards and the painting, are we doing anything else today?
No, that's it. Should be a little bit of projects and then hopefully hang out and do some family time later.
All right, sounds good. Let's get to work. Oh, I thought you were gonna give me a high five. Oh, wow.
I'm recessing these nail heads so that I can use a little bit of caulk to fill in the holes, and then they will be nice and flush, won't stick out.
From this angle, this looks quite tall, but it's not that tall. I think that the blue will contrast better than the red does with the new stairs. We We've never figured out what this was actually designed for. It usually just sits empty.
So 11 7/8 to the outside.
This is the door here. It shines light right where you're working, which makes the lighting really bad for videotaping. That has been unfinished for so long and looks absolutely amazing.
It's kind of funny.
It's amazing how that really finishes it off like that. Wow. It's like a transformation. What are you doing?
I'm cleaning off this silicone piece so I don't end up with caulk where I don't want it.
Even though you just finished these baseboards here, you have to take this one off. This one.
Well, we do it. So
Yeah.
let's just leave it there. We'll paint. Once we put the wood down, the new baseboard will cover the edge.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Because it does look a little bit lower right here.
They put the baseboards down first and then did the flooring. So that baseboard is on the subfloor. When we put the floor down, when we put the bamboo down, our baseboard will go above the bamboo.
That's right, that's right. Cool. Looking good, babe. How would you rate that tool?
The tool is fine. It's really the operator that needs practice.
We're definitely gonna need a brush. I'm pretty sure I just touched the top of my head. Is it pan on it?
Yep, sure did. You should go.
Here. It's not like I can just see it. Thanks.
How in the world did you do that?
Oh, because it's under here.
Oh.
Okay, all good. It's just paint.
Yeah, well, the top of me is.
Whoops. All right, well, the blue is looking great, especially for first coat. Just a little bit to go over there. Blue is a great contrast for this wood, don't you think?
Whatever you like, huh?
I still want it a little bit darker, but we'll see after it dries if it grows on me.
All right, so Terry wanted me to talk about this paint line before I paint the blue. As you can see, this color is called Vanilla Mocha. I forget what the red was, but you can see that transition between the white and the red is like really, really sharp, which is really tough to do on a textured wall. So she wanted me to talk about how I did it. What you do is you put your tape down, and then I'm gonna put it on the Vanilla Mocha side, kind of right here. The way that you get this perfect line is after you put your tape down, you paint the Vanilla Mocha on this side where the red is. And that helps fill any seams or gaps in the tape where the texture is. So the Vanilla Mocha will seep under and it'll seal that tape. And once that coat dries, then you paint your red on top of it. And then when you peel the tape off, you get a perfect line.
Thank you for watching today's video. If you would like to support us, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.